Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you a quick spring twist crochet tutorial. Sorry, it's probably not as detailed as you would like them because I did not really show you when I was braiding my client's hair, but I'll be using the spring twist hair in inches. I think either 6 or 8 inches, guys. I'm going to verify that information pretty soon. And it's color 1B, and I braided my client's hair all the way back. This tie only took me, I think, about an hour and 30 minutes. So it probably take you 2 hours or 2 hours and a half if you wanted a lot more spring twist hair, but this one only took us an hour and 30 minutes, I think, or even 2 hours. I'm not really sure because I was recording as well, so I'll pause and record and all that stuff. And my client really loved her hair. I was looking forward to this style because I haven't really done like crochet in spring twist or passion twist form, so I was looking forward to this hairstyle. And right now I'm going to be showing you the braiding pattern because I wasn't able to show you guys at first. So she wanted side parts, I gave her side parts, and then I just made like the middle parts and like all the part for her so she can have options. I love giving my clients options. If you tell me you want middle parts, I will just give you all the parts because sometimes you might just get bored and want to like flip it, so you don't want to flip it and then it's looking crazy. So yes, right now I don't know, I mean, I feel like everybody know how to crochet, but I'll just tell you guys right now. So I'm going to put my crochet hook under the braid, and then I am going to there's going to be a loop on the spring twist here. I'm going to insert my crochet and then put my crochet hook in the loop, and then use my crochet needle and take the ends of the spring twist here inside the loop, and then just like make it tight. So you can do it twice or once, but I do mine once because I mean it's crochet, so I don't want to have my crochet for 2 months or 3 months. So one is really fine. It's not going to unravel, and my client loves the hair so much, and I'm happy about that because I haven't done this before. Anywho, that'll be all for my video. And also if you're trying to get the spring twist crochet here, I do have the link in my description as well, and there is more stuff in that link, so don't forget to stop by, get yourself some. That's quick, easy. If you don't want to spend so much time just like doing your hair, you can do this one and stay at home. Like, it's really nice because I'm thinking about doing a bob as well for myself, but again, if you don't have time, you can just go ahead and get the bob crochet, or even do the crochet cornrow towards the back and around the front area, just like do it individual, and you'll be good to go. So usually I'll like crochet the back to make sure everybody gets it at the back, because whenever I do crochet for myself, I'm always like I don't feel that much confident because I'm scared about, I don't know if like my track is showing. So for my clients, I have to make sure that the back is pretty full, so that even when you swing your hair, or when you bend over to pick something up, or just like wherever you are, I want you to feel good about your hair. So I have to make sure that everybody gets at the back first, and then I go to the front, because again, if you want to part your hair, I don't like when I see crochet and I'm seeing like your braid over there. I don't really like it, because I don't know, it doesn't look, again, I'm not even like a big crochet fan to begin with. So whenever I do them, I want them to be very realistic, and I want to make sure that my clients love them. And I just care about my clients so much that I have to make sure that you're covered for. So now I am done with the front. I believe I only have one braid in the front to do, and I'm just gonna keep filling in. So when I fill in, I will see who needs them. Sometimes when I'm done, I will just go to the back and pluck one, because others might need more. So yeah, and that's just how I did it. So you just keep filling in, and then basically, if she wanted the side part, just move her hair to the side of where she would want them, and then see how it's looking on both sides, and see who needs them. And the best place for you to take up hair to plug on others would be from the back, like around like the lower back, yeah, because as you can see, the top is going to cover it. So that's why I usually do the back first to make sure everybody gets it. And then now I'm just going to go and fill in, and then steal from somewhere, and then just keep filling them in. And then when I do that, I'm just going to like move her hair around, fill her hair around, play with her hair to see if something is going to look a certain way. So if I feel like it's looking good to me, and I'm just and then I will just be done. Right now I'm technically done, but I'm just like doing like filling because I don't want her to have too many space, and I don't want her braids to be showing. Even though it's crochet, I don't want the braids to be showing. Well, that will be all for now, guys. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.
They know my story.